morning, how are you? Today we will start a new topic and we will talk about or describe quadrilateral. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first, some quadrilateral has a special names or what is the meaning of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means a shape with four sides. Once you hear four sides, remember it's a quadrilateral. We studied it in grade 2. So let's start with the first shape we have today. For example, the trapezoid. The trapezoid is exactly one pair of parallel sides. What's the meaning of one pair? That means two lines that will never cross or meet together in one point. For example, this one, look here. This is line, right? And this is line. They will never cross in one point because they are parallel, right? But this line, if you connect here, it will cross in one point. So we are talking about parallel, the two sides, they will never cross or meet in one point. How about this one? It's like rectangle, but the only difference, the two pairs are parallel sides. Look here, it's like curved, right? And it will not form right angle. What's meaning of right angle? Look here, when you make this square on the sides, you will have a small square inside. This is called right. So the rectangle has four right angles or four square corners. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. How about the rhombus? The rhombus, all sides are the same length. Look, it's like a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides are the same length. But it's the only difference between the square and the rhombus is the rhombus doesn't have any right angles. The square is a special shape because it has all the sides are the same length and it has also four right angles. So again, we have trapezoid, parallelogram, and rectangle, and rhombus, and square. Okay, let's start our lesson today. For example, these are convex polygons. What's the meaning of convex polygons? Look at the lines. All of them convex, like they are going outside. Okay, the point here is outside. But the concave polygons, one or more angles point inward. This is outward, this is inward. Okay, that means convex, remember, it's out. Concave, like the cave, remember, cave and convex out. Okay, so let's start with the first shape here. Write as many special names of the possible for each quadrilateral. Remember, this one is like rectangle, but it's curved, so it's what? It's parallelogram. It's parallelogram, so we can write here parallelogram. Okay, how about this one? It's only rectangle. Remember, we have two parallel sides here. Each two sides are parallel and it can form four angles, right? Right angles. How about this one? Remember, it's rhombus. It's what rhombus, and it doesn't have any right angle. No square here. How about this one? It's a square. It's what? A square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. All of them can be the name of this one because I said it's a special shape. Okay, so we can say square and we can say it has four right angles. Write as many special names as possible for each quadrilateral. Remember, look here, two parallel sides. It's what? Rectangle. It's what? Rectangle, parallelograms. Okay, how about this one? Just only one pair of parallel sides. Once you hear the one pair of parallel sides, remember it's trapezoid. Why trapezoid? Because you have only one pair here parallel. Look, 1, 2. They will never cross in one point. How about this one, number 9? Look here, remember, it's like rectangle, but it's curved, so it's parallelogram. So the name of all possible quadrilateral that fit in the rule, if they have two pair of parallel sides, we can say parallelogram, we can say rectangle, we can say rhombus, and we can say it's square. All of them has two pairs of parallel sides, except the trapezoid, the only shape that has only one parallel side. Okay. Exercise number 11. A rectangle with all the sides are the same length. Once you hear all the sides are the same length, remember it's the square. Okay. So how about number 12? A parallelogram with four right angles. With four right angles, we can say it's a rectangle, square. All of them four right angles. Remember, all of them four right angles. A parallelogram, a rectangle, and the square. Both of them has four right angles. Back to our lesson. Okay, exercise number 17. Okay, Does the name describe the quadrilateral blow? Look here. Choose yes or no. This shape is what? This shape is rhombus, right? So is it convex polygon? Is it convex? Out, right? Is it out? Look here at the point. Is it out? Yes, it's out. Look here. It's out. It's out. Okay. It's point to outside, so we can say this. Okay. How about the name of this one? Is it rhombus? Yes, because it has 4 equal sides, but it doesn't have any right angles. Is it a square? No. Why it's not a square? Because it doesn't have any right angles. Is it rectangle? No, because we have 4 equal sides here. So this is no, and this is no, and this is our lesson today. I hope you understand it. The homework today: read and describe the description and circle the great quadrilateral. Write the names. Okay, look here. I have 4 right angles and all the sides are the same. Remember, all right, 4 right angles and all the sides are the same. Remember how the I have exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. Oh yeah, you remember 1 pair, just 1 pair. Remember it's what? Trapezoid extant. Which one is the trapezoid? No, this one? No, this one? No, this one. Because it has only 1 parallel side, they will never cross this and this. Okay, so how about number 3? I have 4 right angles, but only my opposite sides are equals. Remember, we have 2 shapes, they have right angles. Which one? The rectangle and the square, right? But which one has only 2 opposite sides? They are not all the same length. Which one? The rectangle or the square? Of course, the rectangle. 2 opposite sides, 1 here and 1 here. They are opposite, and 1 here and the other one is there. So they are opposite sides, but all of them formed right angles, so it has 4 right angles. This is also has 4, but all the sides are the same length. Exercise number 4. I have all the sides are the same length, but I have no right angles. Remember, which shape has 4 right angles but no which shape has 4 equal sides but no right angles? Remember, it's what? It's rhombus. Okay, so let's turn the page. That's the end of this here homework. Number 6. Okay, Christian draw a shape shown below. Madison changed Christian's shape so that it has every side equals and every angle equals. What the shape does Madison make? Remember, look here, when they change the shape, they make every sides are equal and every angle also are equal. Let's draw this shape. All sides are equals and all angles are equals. Right angle, right angle, right angle, then the last one also right angle. Which shape now we draw? Remember, 4 right angles, 4 equal sides, it's what? It's a square. Just a minute. The last question down. Okay. Harry draw a quadrilateral. This is convex and has 2 pairs parallel sides. Remember that all the quadrilateral they have 2 pairs equal parallel sides, except what? Except the trapezoid. Okay, so that the shape is convex. The shape is convex means out. Remember, is it out? Yeah, it's out, but this is curved, right? So they have 2 parallel sides. No, look here, 2 pairs of parallel sides. Here 1 pair. How about this one? It has another pair. Of course, there is no pair here, so this answer doesn't work. Okay, so let's check the next one. We have 2 pairs here, 1 pair, then 2 pairs, and they are parallel, right? So it can be, yeah, it can be. How about the last one? Look here, there is no 2 pairs parallel here, just 1 pair parallel, so it doesn't work. So our answer here is the rectangle, 2 pairs parallel sides. And this will be our answer. Thank you. This is your homework today. I hope you understand this one.